Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by isolating basics. Physically verify the Ethernet cable, router, and PC port. Plug into a known good port or port on another device so you can compare behavior. Look at the network interface card lights. Solid versus blinking means link versus traffic, and note colors. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Status, and run the built-in network troubleshooter. It automates tests and often fixes configuration glitches, so you know whether to proceed deeper. You now focus on Windows configuration and drivers. Open Device Manager, find the Ethernet adapter, and choose Update Driver. If a recent update broke things, use Rollback. Then check IP4 settings. Ensure Obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically, unless your network uses static addressing. Use command prompt and run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to force DHCP. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the adapter, and briefly try a known static IP to rule out DHCP issues. You finish by repairing deeper stacks. Open an elevated command prompt and run netwinsock reset, then netint IP reset. Restart the PC to apply changes because these commands rebuild Windows networking components. Make sure firewall, VPN, or proxy software isn't blocking connections. Temporarily disable third-party security to test. Finally, if nothing works, plug in a USB Ethernet adapter or another NIC to determine whether the original hardware is faulty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.